Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Ever wondered how massive international construction projects run without turning into absolute chaos? They use FIDIC book. But who actually runs the show? Today we will break down the three most important characters in the FIDIC book contract: the client, the contractor, and the engineer. So let's get started. So first up is the client, also known as the employer. Think of them as the vision and the money. They own the project, they provide site and pay for the work. In the yellow book, the client defines what they want through a document called employees requirements. They don't design it, they just define the goal. Next is contractor. Since the yellow book is a design build contract, the contractor has dual responsibilities. They must design the project based on the client's requirements, and then they must build it, execute it. Okay, they take on the design risk as well as execution. If something goes wrong with the design, it is usually the contractor's responsibility to fix it. The next is engineer. Finally, meet the most unique role, the engineer. The engineer is appointed by the client but acts as an independent administrator. Think of them as a referee in a football match. They monitor the progress, approve payments, and issue variations. Most importantly, under FIDIC, if there is a disagreement between the client and the contractor, the engineer must act fairly to find a mutual agreement. This is very important. So these are the main parties involved in FIDIC yellow book. So to sum it up, the client brings the money and requirements, the contractor designs and builds it, the engineer manages the contract and keeps the balance. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more contract management tips, and drop a comment below on what FIDIC topic we should cover next. Do visit this channel for more content on civil engineering. If you are a planning engineer in the construction industry, you may be interested in MSP, Primavera, or billing related videos. So do visit the channel and subscribe. Thank you guys.